Come here, closer. Nuclear energy is not a bad thing. It is misunderstood, but today we will explore why it is actually quite remarkable. 30 years ago, events like Chernobyl were a major concern, but times have changed. Let me tell you about thorium, the future of clean and reliable power. Thorium is uranium's neighbor, but he is much more relaxed and stable. Uranium is the type to do a half-hearted job, while thorium is career-oriented and focused. Thorium is content with simple things, unlike uranium, who is always causing chaos. Let's start with the mining process, which is where thorium really shines. When someone doesn't want to get out of bed, they just whine and roll over. Uranium releases deadly radon gas, requiring expensive ventilation systems to keep workers safe. Thorium is different. He is ready to work without any fuss or dangerous side effects.
Uranium ore has less concentration, so you need more work to get the same results.
The Earth's crust has 3 times more thorium than uranium, making it very abundant. But wait, there is more to the story than just extraction. Natural uranium consists of 2 isotopes, and one needs enrichment to be useful. Uranium has to undergo enrichment, which is expensive and time-consuming.
Uranium is like a distracted student who needs constant supervision to be productive.
Thorium, on the other hand, is ready to go immediately, no enrichment needed. Now, let's talk about power generation, the most important part. Uranium is fissile, while thorium is fertile, which changes how they generate energy. Uranium can work all by himself, but thorium needs a little help to get started. This might sound like a drawback, but it makes thorium much safer. If things go wrong, uranium just keeps going, which is dangerous. Thorium reactors allow the fuel to drain away safely in an accident. 1 ton of thorium produces as much energy as 200 tons of uranium. That is also equivalent to millions of tons of coal. Thorium produces much less nuclear waste, making it cleaner and easier to manage. It is also very difficult to make a weapon out of thorium. This makes it a great option for countries looking for safe energy sources. Thorium is the future, powerful, clean, and reliable. If you liked this video, please subscribe and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.